I'm still in bed. Guys, I'm so sad because my revenue in YouTube is that. This my was my new shorts I upload. I'm gonna sweat in my body. It's hi. Please like and share. Comment, guys. Please, what please? Okay. How are you guys? Invite you to join my membership and also my Patreon. Well, this is me in the morning. Good morning to the Philippines and to good evening around the world. I need to put. Mhm. Saudi Arabia. Okay, shout out. The one KF is invited to join my channel and to if you have you can click the super chat and super thanks. You can say something to the host. Hi to my 8 viewers watching on live. Hello guys, where are you? I'm from Philippines. I am Naomi from Philippines. Bukas sa lamisa yun, diha. Sa lamisa, that's my son. Lamisa ra, kaya ako na ito ano. Hi to everyone. Ay, naging diri kay ka-live ko. Mag-TV na ka dito. Ano ba? It's very, very. Hello, hello. I'm arranging my stuff with similar you. Wow, wait, what's similar with me? Huh? Well, I put some lipstick on my lips so it will be not so. Ouch, 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 ouch. Oh my god. So color this. Paint my. How can you give me money? You sponsor me? You can message me on my WhatsApp if you sponsor. I have there my WhatsApp link there in my about in my YouTube. I have also my Facebook. Huwag naubos na yung fan earlier para tuloy. Ba't pa lang naubos? Yeah, I need. That's why I'm here in a YouTube to to earn money by going live, making videos. I can earn money through your views through watching my. Hello, comment guys, comment, 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 comment. Oh my god.